In today's video, I am going to teach you how to keep track on Zoho People attendance. To begin, open Zoho People and look at the left sidebar. Find and click the Attendance tab. This is the central area where Zoho People stores time logs, check-ins, checkouts, and reports. If you are trying to confirm your own work hours or review a specific day, this is where you will do it. Once you are in attendance, move to Attendance Views and then choose My Attendance. This view is designed for individual employees. It shows your personal attendance logs in an easy-to-read format, so you can quickly verify when you checked in, when you checked out, and whether anything looks missing. If you notice a gap or an incorrect entry, make a note of the date right away so you can follow your workplace process for corrections. If you are an admin or a manager and you need a wider view, go back to Attendance Views and select Organization Report. This report is meant for reviewing attendance across the whole team. It can help you monitor overall presence, compare attendance patterns, and confirm that time records are being captured properly. When you are viewing the organization report, take an extra moment to make sure you are looking at the correct time period, since reports can be affected by the date range you have selected. For real-time tracking during the day, look to the top bar and click the Check-in, Check-out button. This option is useful when you want to record your time as you start work, go on break, return, or finish for the day, depending on how your company has configured attendance. Try to use it consistently, because accurate check-in and check-out actions create clean, reliable logs. Finally, use the filter icon to narrow down what you see. You can sort and refine the results by date range to focus on a specific week or month, by department to isolate a team, or by employee name to find one person quickly. Filtering saves time and reduces confusion, especially when you are reviewing many entries at once. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.